Journey channel. In previous video, I have created achievement section. Then I am going to create contact section in footer. Create division inside the footer. Footer has ID of footer. Then division for the container blue. Then create another division inside that for the row. Create division for the columns. It has class of MD-6, footer title and PY-5. Put dot and press enter. Inside that, create header 1 tag. It has class of text capitalize and text should be center. Text is profile. Also, it should be inside the strong tag. It has class of banner title. Then create division for the icon. It has class of footer icons, empty-3, dplex, justify container round, and plex wrap. Then I'll create anchor tag for the icon. Which is having class of footer icon. Add font size icon inside that. Which is having class of FA envelope. Then copy this and paste few more times. Then change the class of icons. This should be FA. This is linking link. This is FAB. Then copy, paste one more time. This should be FA. Facebook. Then save and refresh. Then I am going to create another column like this column. It also has same classes. Copy from that and paste after that row. Add another class, footer content and the text center. Then create header 3 tag for the contact. Then create paragraph which is having class of duplex and flex wrap. Inside that, there should have span for the font size icon. It has class of mr-4 and footer icon. Then add font size icon inside span. First font size icon is map. Then copy this and paste 2 more times. Second icon is font and third is envelope. Enter your email here. This is sample email. Here phone number and here your address. Now we have almost done with the project. Remaining thing is style for the contact section. Then footer title has style of background color is main black. Then footer content has background color of main gray. Copy and paste. Then rename. Footer icon has font size 1.5 rem. Color is main white. And there should some transition. Here should semicolon, transition, all, point 4 is in now. Then footer icon, hover effect. When it hover, color should change to main purple. This is the end of creating portfolio. This is what we have designed so far. Let's see again our final project. Make sure you have link with the correct ID of section in the nav bar. Otherwise it's not linked properly. Double check that nav link and the section ID. Then if you have any problem, you can comment below. See you again in the next video series. Thanks for the watching.